Hi, my name is Misty Bernhard with Illinois Extension, and today I'm going to be sharing some healthy and quick meals and snacks in bento boxes. You may be asking, what is a bento box? It's just a pre-portioned container that you can pack an easy-to-assemble meal or snack in. And we have partnered with the Child Care Resource and Referral at John A. Logan College and the Illinois Cares for Kids Project to share bento boxes with children and families. Bento boxes are a great way to remind us to get all of the 5 food groups in with each meal or snack. And I'm going to share some ideas on how we can use My Plate to fill our bento boxes to help us reach our healthy eating goals. And children are going to enjoy putting their own meals and snacks together. Here we have our fruit kebabs. You can combine your favorite fruit along with cheese cubes, and the best part about it is that children get to create their own. The veggie pita recipe from our Eat Move Save website is a great way to sneak those veggies into a nice sandwich. With just 4 ingredients such as vanilla, peanut butter, pumpkin, and brown sugar, you create this delicious dip that could be paired with celery, apples, or graham crackers. And for our turkey sandwich wrap, spread 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise on each tortilla. Layer turkey, lettuce, and tomato on each tortilla, and carefully roll the tortilla with toppings to make a delicious sandwich wrap. They fit great in our bento box with fresh fruit and vegetables. If you pack a toasted English muffin, some cream cheese, and fruit of their choice, the kids can have fun making their own breakfast fruit pizza.
Eat, move, save.